Hey, this is Chris. Welcome back to another show. I want to do a big shout out this week to Owen Engineering. This is Ryan Owen, his family and team, because they're all the way up in Shetland and are now our most northerly garage, which is just a little bit of fun that we like to have as who is the most north and south as we cover the entire of the UK. So over 900 garages joined us since we started. Ryan is such a great guy, and I do believe there are other businesses up there that are looking to join us as well. But all the best to them. Will I get the opportunity to travel up to Shetland and meet you all? Let's hope so. So this week on the show, talking about Ryan and Owen Engineering onboarding, let's look at the process if you're interested in the potential of MOT Manager in your garage. So one of the most important things is, if you're interested in looking into MOT Manager, is that you get in touch. So send over a message in the comments here. We'll put some links so it's really easy for you to send over your details. Now, we totally understand as a company that when you're looking at something, you might just wanting to test the water, to see what this might cost, to see what's involved. So there's never any obligation. Even if you have a trial of a dummy version of our software, you'll never be under any obligation. So feel free to get in touch and start the ball rolling. Now, often when we speak to people here at MOT Manager, a little bit carried away can happen sometimes. We're trying to work out a scenario in the future or getting overly concerned about a certain element. And this is the point where either myself or one of the team will say, just have a look at what we do, because there's a number of elements to MOT Manager. And one of the great things is you only pay for the bits that you want. So we do a lot of online booking for MOTs. If that doesn't work for you, you won't have it and you won't have to pay for it. So already you can have the software slimmed down and suited to where you want to be. But the most important part of the process to begin with is getting in touch and getting on a demo. The amount of times we get garage owners or people that work in garages on the demo saying, I didn't realize this was that simple, or I had a system, or I looked at a system and in my head I just thought they were all the same. So you really do need to take 10 or 15 minutes to have a look at MOT Manager. Now, if there is a level of interest, and if you think this could be a runner for your garage, we can then set you up a free trial. So this will be a dummy version, which allows you to go in, create scenarios, create invoices, have a look at some things. Maybe you're running a paper diary or an Outlook or a Google Calendar. You can create some scenarios in your own time in MOT Manager in a dummy account. So you're getting a real-time test of the software. Again, that costs you nothing and is no obligation. If after that point you say, this will not work, that is absolutely fine. And maybe it's something you'll revisit in the future. If, however, you do decide that MOT Manager can work for you and your garage business, as many people do, then we can start the ball rolling. So what we will then do is work out exactly what package you want, and the monthly fee that we quote you will be all inclusive. So the MOT reminders, service reminders, the lookups, the texting people your car's ready to collect, that will all be included. So the monthly fee we give you will not come with a separate bill for usage. You'll get one flat fee straight away. You'll be able to say, for X amount of investment, I will be able to run this. I'm going to cut to this because I know you like me to, and I used to shy away from this. £95 per month plus VAT and £125 per month plus VAT are our two most popular packages, and they are fully loaded packages as well. So that is around about where you would be for a fully loaded system. We might be able to do something if you're a mobile mechanic, or you're working on your own in a garage, or you're just starting out and we need to find a package right for you. So let's get that out there, because many people think that this costs hundreds and hundreds of pounds a month, and it doesn't, and you will get great value and a great return. So the process is get in touch and let's get you on a demo. One of the great things if you come on board with MOT Manager is how quickly we can get data into your MOT Manager account. So this could be a system that you've been using. It could be a spreadsheet. It could be an accountancy package. We would need to look into this, but we have some very smart people here at MOT Manager. I am not one of them, but we have some very smart people, and they will look into what you've got, get it into a spreadsheet, and your mobile numbers, reg plates, customer names can be brought into MOT Manager. It gives you a massive head start. We had a garage join us recently. They joined in the morning. By the afternoon, they had 2,500 MOT reminders queued to go out. you like to do your sums, start typing in what you charge for an MOT, times it by 2,500, and you'll start to see that marketing strand can come of that. And yes, you're going to tell me that you're busy all the time with MOTs, but it's always great to have things organised and streamlined. So it all starts with a conversation. The link is there. Get in touch, and I look forward to speaking to you soon.